So here's the new 350Z, brand used. You can see it's been hit in the front bumper. Got hit up here in the front. They drove it into a ditch, and then the fender was damaged as well. So I need a new front bumper, new fender, get them paint matched, restore my headlights, and that'll be it for the front end. These are my wheels right here. They're forged Volk racing wheels, 17-inch. Old school wheels, they're pretty rare. I only have 2, but I like the way they sit, so they give me good clearance with the angle kit that the car has. So we're gonna rock these in the front. I'm cleaning the inside of the car. You could tell it needs a deep clean, so I got my brushes, my detail brushes, and my rigid vacuum. We're gonna get a deep detail in here, and maybe a light drill brush and a steam clean on the carpet. Get everything looking good. We need a stereo installed. Need to get these stupid stickers off the dash, and then get that seat out and clean that side as well, and then give the interior a good steam clean, and then get everything detailed nice and clean again, get it looking good. So first thing I'm going to do on this 2007 Nismo 350Z number 77 is start detailing the interior. This is number 77 of 3000 made for 2007. We got a GK Tech handbrake, hydraulic GK shifter. These are Mustang wheels in the back, they're just burners. Double Brembo GK Tech kit. So we kept it true to the Brembos. You can see this is when they hit it in the ditch. Got some quarter panel damage from that ditch accident. It's all on the right side. The other side is nice and clean. So I'm gonna send this to my body man. Pearl white Nismo 2007. I love the pearl white paint. I'm gonna just get this quarter panel repaired, get it paint matched, and then I'll restore the paint. Might get this repaired, or might just cut and buff it, or I might go with the roof cap, I'm not sure. Let me show you the other side. See? Nice and clean. Volk racing wheels. It's gonna be my YouTube car. Gonna get my channel. If anyone does like banners or something, I'm gonna get my banner on the rear window or the front window, not sure. And I kind of want to do like a custom vinyl on the side with my YouTube channel. I plan on tracking this car, that's why. So it'd be cool to have my YouTube channel on my track car. Gotta love that 350Z Nismo rear bumper and the wing, beautiful. Double Brembos on this side too. Mustang wheels. I'll show you the driver's side. 350Z steering wheel, stock wheel. It's missing the buttons. I would plan on replacing the wheel anyways. Nismo floor mats, carbon fiber, Nismo seats. Yep. Headliner's in pretty good shape. Most of the stock interior is there, so we'll just get it looking nice again and replace the steering wheel. I'll show you guys under the hood. DC sports short ram intakes. Motor's pretty much stock. You could see we got D2 coilovers, angle kit, lower control arms, extended LCAs, new ball joints. Suspension's pretty hooked up. Good entry-level car for drifting. And then you can see right here we have a power steering cooler. That helps keep the power steering and power steering system nice and cool, because when you're on the track, your power steering is under a lot of pressure, the fluid and the lines. So it's a good idea to get this if you're sliding with power steering. Helps your car stay cool. But yeah, this is it, the crashed 350Z Nismo. I'll have more of this car on my channel 100% for sure. So if you want to see more of this 350Z Pearl White Nismo, kind of restoring it a little bit, making it look a lot better than it looks now. So we're going to hunt down a bumper. We're going to hunt down that fender as well. Get some brand new tires up front. Get the interior restored and get the body sorted out right here. Get that body panel fixed. Get the roof looking better. New fender. We're also missing a side skirt extension for the Nismo. It's a lot of little things. It looks bad right now, but it's going to come out good. It's going to be a dope car. Like I said, subscribe. Check out my other videos. I have another Nismo video of a black one I had on here as well, so check that out. But this car is going to be pretty nice. It's going to be a cool little track car for the channel. Just finished up the driver's side. Just want to give you guys one last look before I end the video. Interior, the seats are out. Blank canvas. Got everything cleaned up. Now I can focus on the outside of the vehicle. Put the seats back in, set it up how I want it, get everything cleaned up. I like my cars cleaned up. I like everything clean. So I had to unbolt the seats to get a good cleaning on this. GK Tech Hydro e-brake, wheel wood, the master cylinder, GK Tech shifter. Big row. Big row. Big row. Oh man. Alright. So let me give you guys one last look on the outside before I wrap up this video for the last time. I had to take off the fender because it needs to get body worked, or I need to replace it, or I might go with carbon fiber fenders. I'm not sure, haven't made up my mind. Don't want to spend too much money on the build, so I might just fix it unless I find a decent deal on carbon fiber fenders. The front Nismo bumper was pretty beat up. We're not going to be able to fix that. Have that over here. That's going to get repaired at the body shop. This is the Nismo bumper, the bottom of it. You can see it's missing the whole lip. So my buddy's going to handle that quarter panel. I just need to find a Nismo front bumper. Once I find the Nismo front bumper, send it to the body shop, and then need to source this pillar, which everyone is saying is overly priced for a piece of plastic, but I'm gonna hit up one of my friends that works at a Nissan dealership. But yep, that's the last walk around on the project. I'm gonna end up finding some wheels for it. I know what I'm gonna go with, so I'll update you guys later on the build. Front bumper is all I pretty much need to send it to the body shop, and that's it. So if you guys want to see more on this build or any of my other cars, like, share, subscribe, comment. Any questions, hit me up. You guys can ask me any questions. Check out the inside. It came out pretty nice, not gonna lie. Way better than when I got it. Carpet looks great. Cleaned up, very nice interior. Like I said, gotta have my cars really clean on the inside. So I'll drill brush the seats, put them back in, get them nice and clean. After I get the car back from the body shop, send it to the stereo shop, get a stereo installed, my subwoofer installed, and she'll be ready for the summer. Do a vital change on all the fluids, and it'll be ready to go. Alright guys, catch you on the next video on this build. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet, but I'm excited.